I've had this sandwich maker for well over a year now, and it is well loved. It is definitely quite dirty. I could have cleaned it up for the video, but I just wanted you to see how it looks when we use it. Yes, it looks like one of the kids used it last and didn't clean it out completely. So I'm going to quickly scrape that off and then show you how well this works. Now we use this all the time, mainly just for grilled cheese sandwiches. And what I love about it is that my kids can use it too. I'll just plug it in real quick. And while that's heating up, I'll grab all my ingredients. We keep it pretty simple around here. White bread. I butter one side of each really quickly. And then depending on the family member, we use different cheeses and different amounts. This one I'm making for my daughter. She only likes one slice of cheese. So I'll break it up so I can fit it on the sandwich well. And I really just give it a couple minutes to heat up. I don't actually wait for anything specific. It's nice and hot, and now I'm going to put it butter side down. Stick on that cheese. Next piece butter side up. Squeeze it down, clip it shut. I figured this clamp would be the first to go, as we often will really pack sandwiches, throw some meat in there too, make them bigger, and sometimes it's really hard to clamp down, but so far this has worked perfectly. We've had no issue at all. And our sweet spot for a great grilled cheese is around 2 minutes. Most of the time I'll just check it from time to time. Sometimes I put on a timer, but you can always look and see where it's at and make a call and then just keep going. So this light does turn green when it claims it's ready, but I never trust that. Pop it open. Here we go, nice and crispy. It's usually really hot on the sides, but you can pull it right off and you're ready to go. Perfect grilled cheese every time. And you can definitely cut it down the middle. Really easy for my kids to use. We just make sure you unplug it on the other side, as that is how you turn it on and off, and then just let it cool for a while. This has definitely stood the test of time. It's super handy. I love that everyone in the family can use it, and I definitely recommend this simple yet extremely durable and functional sandwich maker.